The idea, using epoxy resin to stop vintage Sindy dolls' hips from melting. Honestly, it sounds like a genius fix for a super common problem in the doll community. But as a doll collector, I had to fact check the AI, and the answer is a massive no. Please do not do this. When Sindy doll hips melt, it's a chemical reaction caused by soft vinyl resting against hard plastic for decades. If you coat that in epoxy, 3 bad things happen. 1. The chemicals in the epoxy can react with the vintage plastic and make it melt even faster. 2. The migrating plasticizers escaping the vinyl will just push the epoxy off from underneath. 3. Epoxy cures rock hard, meaning you'll permanently fuse or crack the doll's joints. So, to my viewer who left the comment, thank you for the idea, but to actually save those hips, you want to clean off any stickiness with baking soda and water, and then put a physical barrier, like a tiny piece of acid-free paper or cotton fabric, between the 2 plastics so they don't touch. Don't blindly trust AI features in YouTube Studio. Trust real material science. Subscribe for more real doll restoration tips.